I'm done. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So today I was supposed to do a makeup tutorial because I just felt like doing makeup, and then I went to my Puaji's house yesterday and she told me to use up this sour cream that she has because it's like near its expiry date. So she said use it. And when an Indian mom tells you to use something before it gets expired, you use it. That's why I'm making sour cream and orange muffins with strawberry jam inside. But before I actually bake the muffins, I'm going to show you how I made my own DIY muffin tins. I'm doing a big batch because I have to use up all the sour cream, and I will be giving away all of these muffins to my friends, my cousins, and everyone. So I'm making a big batch, and that's why I need more muffin tins, which I don't have, and I'm making my own. That much foil, fold it so it's double, it's a bit stronger. Then you push it in with the other one. It becomes into a mold, and then you press all the extra sides in just to make it more sturdy. Press it in one more time. And that's a DIY muffin tin. How easy and cool is that? You're welcome. Okay, so to start with, I'm taking soft butter and then adding brown sugar to it and start creaming the butter. Don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl. And what I forgot again is preheat your oven, 200 degrees. So now that the butter and brown sugar are pale and all creamed together, I'm going to slowly add my eggs, milk, sour cream, and orange juice. And orange zest as well. So I'm just going to add my orange zest now so I can juice the orange. And then I'm slowly adding milk. And now that I've added milk, it does look a little bit curdled. Don't worry, it will be fine. Don't do that. Hold everything carefully. Don't be me. So you know the guy I said always says that I drop a lot of things at work? He told me last time that I should put a count on how many things I drop, and then you should count it. At the end of the video, there should be like, okay, today the score was 10. Before I put the juice in the wet mix, I'm going to sieve my dry ingredients. The flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, just because I only have one sieve and I don't want to wet the sieve with the orange juice, so I'm just going to do the dry ingredients first, and then I'm going to sieve the orange juice directly into the wet mix. Also, I know that in the recipe I wrote down that there's 4 cups of plain flour, but I didn't have that much plain flour with me, so I just used 3 cups of plain flour and 1 cup of wheat flour. I know that's going to be more gluten, so I'm just hoping that it works, but I do think it will work. And I'm also adding the baking powder and baking soda in here. The orange juice directly into the wet mix. And then I'm also going to add oil. This is olive oil. And now I'm going to fold in my dry ingredients. Not all at once, in 3 goes. See, the mixture is ready. It's thick and it's not curdled. I told you if the mixture looks curdled while you're still mixing all the wet ingredients, it's fine. Just keep going. When you mix in the flour, it will all come together and will be fine. And then I'm going to put strawberry jam in there. Just a little bit, like half a teaspoon in each. Or you can also use marmalade for this. I just use strawberry jam. Honestly, I don't go out and like buy more things. I try and use what I have at home, which is why the sour cream, my Puaji gave it to me. Oranges, I bought them last week, but I never ate them. And plain flour. I only have 3 cups, and rest of it I added wheat flour because I had that, and then strawberry jam because I don't have marmalade, so just use strawberry jam. It'll be fun. Okay, now that I've got the hang of it, I'll show you what I'm doing. Taking a spoonful, putting it in, and then just doing that to make a kind of a hole in the middle. Take a little bit of jam, put it in, press it in, and then take more batter and kind of just drop it on the jam and then spread it. Okay, that took actually a long time. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven and turn the oven down to 180 and then bake it for like 15 minutes and come back and check it. Okay, so I just took my muffins out. It's been 17 minutes and somehow I did not see the time and I did not put a timer on. I was like, oh, I'll just, watch the time. 17 minutes later. One of the top ones is burnt, but I have good ones, like this tray is okay. I'm a bit sad. I'm gonna cut the tops off of that, and this one is fine. That I'm gonna eat. So with these ones, they're all not that bad. You can see like this one is just the top burnt, but if I take it out, that's fine. So now I'm just gonna let them cool down, take a picture, and show you how it looks from the inside. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.